All right. Well, speaking of fake accounts, well, it looks like DoorDash may be doing a few things to try to help mitigate the problem, but
Yeah.
will it?
Okay.
What do you
So
think?
no, okay. So so all of you here, and we do have fans in high places. We have fans in San Francisco, at Uber Lyft HQ. We have fans at Uber HQ in New York. We have fans. We are being watched. Even my Twitter account is being watched. So so that's all I'm saying. However, we can add DoorDash now to our fanboy list because I'm pretty sure
Maybe.
after we did that behind the wheel with Trent, where he says he just leased his account to his wife's employee's husband, who happens to be illegal in Florida. Then we did that wonderful behind the wheel with Luis from Delivery TV, where we laid out the
Yep.
case. FYI, there is some massive, massive articles coming out on this subject. So mainstream media seems like they're listening to us as well, and they pick this up and they go, I've been busy. I've been busy. That's all I can say. And stay tuned. So now DoorDash goes, son of a bitch. Those two guys never touched us before, but now, they're throwing us under the bus. DoorDash, it ain't that difficult. I even know the get around for you. So if you're interested, you know where to find me. This is very easily fixed. Not this way, not your way. And DoorDash is doing this, and I did get confirmation of this, by the way, in Massachusetts. I have some drivers who also do DoorDash. They go, Serge, you cannot believe the strictness of the app now. It asks me ID verification every 2 hours. It made me redo the whole app, upload my documents again. This is good. In fact, yesterday, it happened to me. I ended a trip. I had accepted another trip, and the trip disappeared. It goes, we need to verify who you are. I'm going like, wonderful, wonderful. I got nothing to hide. Click, back on the road. The only problem that I see, this is good. This is really good. DoorDash, thumbs up. We need to end this, okay? Because it's super unsafe for the consumer. Screw the driver or the courier. This is super unsafe for the consumer. And the only
Yep.
bad thing in this is, do you see in the middle screenshot, we are rolling out more frequent identity verification and new machine learning technology to better ensure Dashers are who they are. Thumbs up, DoorDash. You're listening. Thank God. However, we will now require more than 150,000 Dashers to re-verify their identity each week. That's not even a single drop in the bucket, DoorDash. The last earnings call, I listened to all of them, including yours. You're not spared. You said there's only over 10 million Dashers, part-time, full-time. 150,000? What is that? 1%? No, 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 no. We have to do this for everybody, every DoorDash account out there. Okay. And then it
Speaking of,
says,
I have Tony Shu in a Bills jersey.
yeah, put them all. We'll put them all side by side. And then DoorDash finished by saying, while no system is perfect, we know that our safeguards are effective and produce meaningful results. Every week, our screening process prevents over 15,000 prospective Dashers who fail to meet our criteria from joining the platform. Thumbs up, DoorDash. This is awesome. This is a good start. The article's still coming out. Sorry. but this is good. This is a good start. Let's get that 150,000. Let's put a couple more zeros behind that, and let's get it up there.
Well,
I have
you know what?
zero problem verifying my identity every time they ask me to. Every time.
Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, Make more money and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
In their defense, they might be targeting ones that have been flagged. And so what essentially happens is, no. They don't need to, but they don't need to verify everybody. That's the thing. You got to remember the costs associated with verifying everybody. They could actually use this in a way where they don't have to verify everyone. They can verify accounts that have been flagged that have different IMEs using on their phone accounts. So, each phone has identifiable information on it. And also, you grant access to GPS and other data that's on your phone. So you could be using multiple phones or multiple tablets or whatever it might be. If it's still part of the same ecosystem, it might just say, okay, that is the person who is using the account, and it's not going to raise any red flags. But if you have an account that normally, let's say you're in LA County, and then all of a sudden it pops up in Sacramento, that could be a little bit of a red flag. And then also, the IME or the identifiable information is brand new or it's changing. Those could send up the red flags where they're like, okay, these are the ones that we need to start with because there's something fishy going on. There's not something right. And that's how the system is determining who to verify and make sure that they're the correct person.
Absolutely.
So that is a potential where they're actually, using technology to their advantage to be able to flag accounts that could be potentially hazardous or fraudulent or doing one of these types of things, when in fact your account or my account or anybody who's watching his account, it's their account because they're sticking to it. And, there's nothing that the system would say, hey, something's going on here, have them verify.
Yeah, Uber is doing the same thing, FYI. So every time I do pick up a delivery now, in most restaurants now, but this is all about the hardware issue, the receipt that pops out has a QR code. Before, I can just grab the food and walk out and steal the food or do whatever. Now you grab the food, the attendant, behind the counter at the restaurant is asking you to zap that QR code that's printed on the receipt. That's how you start your trip actually now on Uber. So they're trying to prevent food theft that way, obviously, which is costing the restaurant billions of dollars. The way this is done, Chris, I actually talked to an IT person. You know how if you're using somebody else's account and if DoorDash asks you to verify with a selfie, right? What they do is they turn the account off. They don't ask for a selfie. They call the account owner who's on another phone, right? And tell them, okay, verify so I can get back on and work for you again, right? Because they lent the account out. Well, DoorDash, those two phones are two different phones. You can just by GPS, you could figure that out where the verification is happening and where the driver is at. If they're not side by side or literally like the same phone, there is some shenanigans going on there. So this is a good start. That's all I'm going to say. And I think we're getting places with this. Finally, after a year, we're getting places with this fake accounts, illegal accounts, and all that stuff. So I'm glad we can make a change.
Yeah, it's a long road. It shouldn't be, though. It should be something that they can, do quite quickly. But at least it's steps in the right direction. So that's good.
Yeah, they don't do anything until they're forced to do it, Chris. We know that very well.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.